Hey, could you stop that? Stop making that noise! I will stomp on your throat and make it so you can't make that noise anymore. Is somebody's grandfather dying on the floor over here? Does this belong to anybody else? All right, I'll get rid of him. I'm banning you. I'm banning you from all servers. No! Just shut up! It's still making the noise! Ha! Not so tough without your muscles, huh? This guy... What the... Yeah, I'm gonna address this. Dude, just shut up. Stop! My life is a living nightmare because of you. The thing is, he just stands here and just waits for a hot babe to come up to him and be like, wow. Oh, hey. Shut up. Kill test. Yeah, nice try, idiot. Go wait for a babe in another server. All right.